Hey guys, happy August. I cannot believe that we're already in August. This is crazy. The year is flying by. My sister's giving birth next month. I am so excited to meet the little man. Oh my goodness. And also to tell you guys the name for him too. It's so cute. But anyways, today's video is going to be my Ipsy Glambag Plus unboxing. I am so excited. You guys want me to be doing these every single month. I didn't get one last month, but I got one this month and I cannot wait to show you guys what is in it. I'm so excited to open it up because they're full-size products, which is awesome. This video is not sponsored, but Ipsy and Ipsy's brand partners did send me these products for this video, just so you guys know. As you guys know, I work with Ipsy for their glam bags where I get to show you guys every single product offered in the glam bag. I don't do that for Glambag Plus. I'm sorry. Maybe I can speak to them and hopefully do that in the future for you guys, but I show you guys everything for the glam bag. So if you have not seen those videos, make sure to subscribe for those. Those ones go up within the first week of every month. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I got in my Glambag Plus. Okay, so I have to go ahead and quickly grab this one right here because I fell in love with the lip gloss that I got in a recent Glambag Plus box. It's in my everyday makeup bag. It is beautiful. This is from the brand Tokyo Milk. It's a blush oil stick and it's in the shade Are You Curious? And I just love the packaging. It's so aesthetically pleasing. Here is the shade. It's kind of like a cherry red. So I'm interested to see how it's going to swatch. Ooh, it's very creamy. So there it is here. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like without it rubbed in. So this is what it looks like right when you swatch it. This is what it looks like when you start rubbing it in. I'm gonna rub this one in so you guys can see. It blends out beautiful. I'm sorry, I can't believe I was doing the middle finger there, but no, it blends out beautifully right there. It's stunning. I would also even like to put this on the lips. I was trying to see if it had a smell to it. Doesn't have a smell, but this would also be really stunning on the lips too, but I love it when it's blend out. It's like a really pretty kind of just a soft cherry red. I love blush sticks during the summer, like cream blush sticks. I don't know why, but they're just beautiful. All right, so this next guy right here is something I'm very intrigued about. This is Smith & Colt Forever Fades Fast. So it's an 8-free nail polish. This color and packaging, let me just show you guys this packaging. It's beautiful. It's so unique. At first I didn't know what this was, and then I saw at the bottom that it's an 8-free, so I was like, oh, this is nail polish. Oh yeah, this color, it's like a very nudie pink. This is like a color that I want for my next nail polish. I might just take this to the nail salon with me next and put this on, but this is a beautiful, beautiful color and the packaging is so unique. Okay, so next up I got the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask, and it says that infuse and nourish thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. A rich, creamy texture softens and smooths skin, providing intense hydration and comfort. Apply once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or leave it on all night. And it's approved for sensitive skin. So I'm super, super stoked about this. As you guys know, I love hydrating products. I love hydrating masks. Really excited to try this one out. And I wonder if it's like the color of this. I don't know. I gotta try this out on Instagram stories and see if it's, because if it's this color, I would be like, oh, that's so cool. Next up, I got an IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. This one is so nice. It wears so nicely throughout the day. It has amazing coverage, you guys. Also has SPF 50 on it. In my box, I got shade Light because I believe that is what it says on my profile. So I need to change up that profile. I'm gonna do like shade medium or tan right now because I've been self-tanning, and then also when I am fair, I am fair. I'm not even light anymore. Like that's how fair my skin is right now. Well, not this second because I'm self-tanned, but yeah, so sad that I can't use this, but I need to update my profile. You guys, the profile is so important, so I need to do that right after this video. Okay, so last but not least, we have the Tarte Double Duty Dream Big palette right here. I love getting Tarte products in my Glambag Pluses, you guys. This is awesome. And this is what the palette looks like inside. It's really, really pretty. There's a total of 8 shadows in here. 2 of them are mattes, and then the rest are shimmers. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, that one's gorgeous. Let's do Hustle. Hustle is like a deeper, it's like almost a black, but it looks like a dark brown. So there's Hustle right there. And then let's swatch All In. It's more of a like mauve rosy tone. Really pretty shimmer shade right there. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. So I have to say, this box is actually pretty good this month. I'm super stoked about it. I love the fact that I got an eyeshadow palette. I got like almost a full face of makeup here, you guys, besides like a bronzer. This is awesome because I got an eyeshadow palette. I got foundation, even though I can't use it right now. I wish I could, just have to get the right shade. And then I have a really pretty blush stick, got a hydrating mask, and this nail polish is so, again, it's so pretty. I love the color and I love the packaging too. So I definitely have to give this month a thumbs up, you guys. I'm super stoked about it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your Glambag Plus box this month. I love hearing what you guys get because there definitely is a variety of different options. Just depends on what your profile is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and make sure to tune in a few days for my Glambag unboxing of all the products. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.